Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. This video will be only of two sums because in the previous video we have seen four questions of exercise 1.1 and question number 1. The remaining two sums will complete it and we'll move further for question number 2. You got question number 2 in question number 2 18 sums. So this 18 sums will be in a single video and the main questions will be always in a single video. I'll try to keep it. So we'll start with this two solution of these two sums. As we know, we have seen the differentiation between the difference between standard versus composite. If not, you have to watch this video and get back to this video. So y is equals to 3 upon 5 into cube root of 2x square minus 7x minus 5 the whole raised to 5. As we all know, according to laws of indices, square root can be represented as x raised to half. Cube root we represent x raised to 1 by 3. Fourth root will be represented as x raised to 1 by 4. If you get cube root of x raised to 5, so how the way we can express or how the way you can express is x raised to cube root means 1 by 3 and you got x to the power 5, so power will remain as it is. It can be expressed as x raised to 5 by 3. So this will be the simplification. So here also cube root and the expression raised to 5. So it will give you 3 by 5 we can write as a part of constant 1 upon 2x square minus of 7x minus 5 minus 7x minus 5 raised to 1 by 3 into 5. So this gives us 3 by 5. Now one more thing I need to add. Differentiation of either f of x raised to n or x raised to n cannot be done in denominator, and we got this expression in denominator, so we need to convert this into numerator. So 2x square minus of 7x minus 5, this becomes 5 by 3. So how we can express minus 5 by 3. Now we have just simplified. अब हम इसका differentiation करेंगे. Differentiating with respect to x, we'll get dy by dx is equals to 3 by 5 remains as it is into minus 5 by 3 2x square minus, now we need to take derivative. What is derivative of f of x raised to n? I'll write it n into f of x raised to n minus 1 into derivative of f of x. So this is entire your f of x. So n minus 5 by 3 into f of x raised to minus 5 by 3 minus 1 into derivative of what? 2x square minus 7x minus 5. This is, we have to find derivative of this part. Now as we can observe, 5 get cancelled, 3 get cancelled, you will get a minus of 2x square minus 7x minus 5 raised to, if you solve this you can do cross multiplication over, if you do cross multiplication minus 5 by 3 minus 1, so this is only calculating only for you minus 5 minus 3 upon 3. So that gives you minus 8 by 3 into, now sorry, here we need to write derivative of this part. 2 is a constant that remains as it is, x square ka derivative is 2x, 7 constant as it is, x ka derivative 1. So the last step would be, and now as you can observe this is minus 8 upon 3. So if we move that to the denominator part, it becomes positive 8 by 3 and this 2 into 2 4x minus 7. This will be the answer for dy by dx. Moving on to the next question, and that is sixth question of question number 1 of exercise 1.1. Y is equals to 3x minus 5 minus of 1 upon root of 3x minus 5 the whole raised to 5. Whenever you get any function in the bracket and raised to n, always you should be solved by f of x raised to n ka formula. So that gives you, again in the previous sum we have written n into f of x raised to n minus 1 into derivative of एफ ऑफ एक्स। आपको ये क्लिक होना ही चाहिए जब कभी भी आपने कोई भी फंक्शन, हमारे पास 5 टाइप्स के फंक्शन होते हैं, लॉगरिथमिक फंक्शन, LIATE, लॉगरिथमिक फंक्शन, इनवर्स फंक्शन, अलजेब्रिक फंक्शन, ट्रिग्नोमेट्रिक फंक्शन एंड एक्सपोनेंशियल फंक्शन। इन पांचों में से किसी भी फंक्शंस में अगर आपको पावर दिखेगा, देन व्हाट यू नीड टू डू, यू हैव टू यूज दिस एफ ऑफ एक्स रेज टू एन, एंड उसके आगे जो सिंप्लीफिकेशन होगा उसके अकॉर्डिंग हमें करना होगा। सो डिफरेंशिएटिंग विथ रेस्पेक्ट टू एक्स, d it becomes dy by dx. This gives you 5 into root of 3x minus of 5 minus 1 upon again root of 3x minus 5 raised to 5 minus 1 into derivative of root of 3x minus of 5 minus 1 upon root of derivative of 3x minus 5. So this first part, which is this, remains as it is for the next step, 3x minus of 5 minus 1 upon square root of 3x minus 5. And in the next part, derivative of this is root of 3x minus 5. What is derivative of root x? We all know 1 upon 2 root x. But it is not just root x, it is root of f of x. That gives you 1 upon 2 root of f of x into derivative of f of x. So this becomes 1 upon 2 into root of 3x minus 5 into derivative of 3x minus 5. Derivative of 3x minus of 5 minus. Now we don't have directly formula for this, so what we can do, we can derivative of, this is a single bracket, derivative of this, a root is represented as half. Half, if you take in the numerator 3x minus 5 raised to minus half, so 5 into this first bracket remains same, there is no change, this entire part will come here over here, and derivative of 3x is 3, 5 ka derivative 0, so 3 by 2 root of 3x minus of 5 in the second bracket minus, now this becomes minus half, so this minus and the minus will make this positive, minus half 3x minus 5 raised to minus half minus 1, minus half minus 1 into derivative of this 3x minus 5. 3x ka derivative 3, 5 ka derivative 0. So this is, so the final and the complete answer would be 5 into root of 3x minus 5 minus 1 upon square root of 3x minus of 5 into 3 by 2 into root of 3x minus 5 plus half into 3x minus of 5 raised to minus 3 by 2, and this 3 you can multiply, so this 3 you can multiply over here, and you can consider as 3 by 2 common if you want.